Yes, YouTube world, we're out having some fun today. A couple of DBXLs and the Baja 5T. Just put the GPS on now. Let's see what speed this gets up to. So yes, enjoy it. Uncut video, zeroed off at 0 miles an hour. Let's just do a quick check and make sure it's working. Right, that was reading, so we've got 12 miles an hour there, let's go! Oh, it's cut out. What a pig. Right, ain't cutting the video, we're going to walk over to it so you can see what the speed was. Let's have a look, What did we get? 36 miles per hour. That's not bad going, to be fair. And yet kill switch activated for some reason. Right. I think I caught the kill switch button again. Did I? Yeah, kill switch button again. 37 still. So yeah, we've got 37 miles an hour there. It's not bad going, is it? Might probably get a couple more miles an hour on tarmac if you can get the power down, but I'm happy with that. We're having a go with this one now. Losi DBXL. Zeroed off. Let's go. mile an hour more.
Yeah, cool down for a minute.
That's not bad going. And what's that one? 30.5 or 32?
32.
That's a Zenoah 32 block. What gearing? Stock? Stock gearing. So my Baja's running 20 pinion 54. 2054? Yeah, 2054. So gearing's up and I can gear it up more because it's still got two bottom end. But that's not bad. 1 mile an hour difference between the OBR 30.5 and a stock Zenoah 32. I'm happy with that. Plus that's 4-wheel drive, mine's 2-wheel drive, so all fun and game.